Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to test the real world fuel economy of my Toyota Corolla Hybrid. It is a all-wheel drive Canadian version. Before we begin the test, let me give you a quick overview of this car. The Corolla Hybrid all-wheel drive comes with a 1.8-liter hybrid engine paired with an ECVT automatic transmission and Toyota's electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system. It offers sporty styling, a comfortable interior, advanced safety features, and excellent fuel efficiency, making it a great choice for daily driving, especially in Canadian weather. Toyota rates this model at around 5.0 liter per 100 km in the city and 5.7 liter per 100 km on the highway for the all-wheel drive trim. Although actual fuel economy depends upon driving style, weather, traffic, and road conditions. Now let's find out how it performs in real life. I am starting today's test by filling the fuel tank completely to full. After that, I will drive the car for approximately 600 kilometers under normal driving conditions. Once I reach around 600 kilometers, I will refill the tank and calculate the actual fuel economy. So if you are planning to buy this car or you are curious about its real world mileage, make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's fill up the tank and begin the test. Right now, the fuel tank is almost empty. We are at the fuel station and I am going to fill the tank completely full. The fuel tank is now completely full, so we are ready to begin the fuel economy test. From this point, I already reset the trip meter to 0 and drive the car as I normally do every day. I won't be using any special fuel saving techniques because I want this test to reflect real world driving conditions. The plan is to drive approximately 600 kilometers, including a mix of city roads and highways. Once I reach the distance, I will return to the same gas station, fill the tank back to full, and calculate the HL fuel economy. So now let's start the test. We are now completed our long distance mileage test. As you can see, the fuel tank is almost empty again, just like it was at the beginning of the test. We have driven a total of 643 kilometers and now we are back at the same gas station and the same fuel pump to refill the tank for an accurate mileage calculation. Let's fill the tank completely. The fuel tank is now completely full and the final numbers are in. We drove a total distance of 643 kilometers and it took 32.66 liters of fuel to refill the tank. That gave us a real world fuel economy of 19.68 kilometers per liter, which is equivalent to 5.08 liter per 100 kilometer. These results were calculated using the fuel tank to full tank method, making this an accurate representation of the vehicle's actual fuel efficiency over the entire trip. So, if you are planning to buy this vehicle or simply wanted to know its real world mileage, I hope this test was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which vehicle you had like to me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.